At McWane Plant and Industrial Exeter, the health and safety of our team is at the core of everything we do. We strive to have each of our team members return to their homes safely every single day. The Rotary Weld Fixture is a leader in empowering ergonomic work for welders. This device is a byproduct of our welders seeking to relieve the body stressors they felt when fabricating one of our SS250 frames. Through observational studies, we were able to tie the strain our welders were experiencing to the bending and reaching that was required to clamp and weld a frame on a standard acorn-style table. As part of our analysis, we conducted a REBA assessment and the procedure scored 58.5 points, which is classified as very high risk for neck strain, shoulder strain, or rotator cuff tear. Going into our design phase, we were seeking to eliminate the arduous clamping sequences in our original process and make all of our weld points easily accessible. Our first prototype was composed of an aluminum plate with indicating pins and 4 Destaco clamps for quick setup. Cutouts were made on each corner of the fixture to expose the weld points. Utilizing a hand wheel, the operator was able to rotate the fixture to their desired location and use a spring-loaded pin to lock it into place. After initial testing, we swapped the operator for a 4-to-1 gearbox driven by a handle and added a counterweight to the spindle to further reduce the force required to turn the fixture 360 degrees. Once implemented, we conducted a secondary REBA assessment and our score dropped to 2.85, which is low risk. All setup and clamping postures were greatly improved and the weld points were brought up to chest height, eliminating the need for bending and reaching. With operator approval, we immediately began production of 2 additional rotary spindles, 5 size designated fixture plates, and 1 additional dynamic fixture to cover 95% of our SS250 product line.
So one of the reasons I reached out to the ergonomics team was to see a different way we can fabricate these stainless steel slide gates in a safer manner, a quicker manner, and something that everybody would be able to come in and learn right off the bat. A lot of it was bringing strain to our bodies. We were having a lot of back pains, shoulder pains, neck pains when we were setting these clamps, reaching over these tables, trying to get these clamps all set for these gates to be nice and flat. So this fixture's had a really big impact on, not only here at work, but when we leave work, we're tired, we're sore before this fixture, we're beating our bodies up trying to get these gates out, working 10, 12-hour days. Now we're at a place where we can get these gates done within minutes. Before it was a 2-hour process, so now it's been a big impact on its own. And then coming home, we have more of that energy to put into our families, more of the energy to install in our kids. So this fixture serves a lot of purposes within the company. It's our first point of quality control. So we can go ahead, if the gate does not fit on this fixture, we know it's not a good gate. This new fixture, we're able to get these gates done in 18 minutes. It's been a tremendous improvement in our production, and we're constantly adding to this fixture to go ahead and speed that up even a little bit more, but this has just been a real game changer within our company.
The health of our teammates is always priority, and getting their positive feedback was all we needed to classify this project as a success. Through the implementation of this device a year ago, we were able to cut our production times by almost 90%. The staffing in this product line dropped by 83%, which resulted in an annualized salary savings of $951,600. By using this device and protecting our teammates, we are also avoiding up to $67,000 per injury based on ESIS ODG guidelines for California. Our mission to build a rotary weld fixture started to alleviate the pain our employees were enduring. We were able to successfully reduce their risk of injury by 95% while simultaneously cutting our production times and saving our company close to $1 million a year.